Welcome to SEO tutorials for beginners. Today I'm going to show you guys how to hide the page title using Elementor. So if we're in here and we create either a blog post or a page, what we're going to do is we're going to hit either publish or save draft. We'll just hit save draft in this purpose. And then I'm going to come over here and edit with Elementor. So this will open up Elementor, and then we have a couple different options to hide this page title right here. What I typically do is we can come over to the settings. You can hit the hide title button and you can see right there, it removed or hid the title. Now this does not work all the time. Depending on what theme you're using, you may have a conflict between different plugins or a theme in Elementor. So this button may not work, but you probably don't want your page to look like this anyways. So one way to remove it is you can still hit yes, but go to page layout and then either use a full width or a canvas. If you use full width, then your header and footer would stay in place. And if you hit canvas, it will remove the header and footer, but we'll just go ahead and hit full width. And now you can see the page title has been removed and you only see two options on the screen, either the plus to add a different element or a folder to add in a different template. Now we'll just go back to our example so you can see what the canvas looks like. And now with the canvas, you have a blank canvas. So if you have a custom header and footer you would like to add in, or just remove those all together, that's how you would remove the header and footer, by just changing it to a canvas. If you guys have any other questions about using Elementor, please let me know and just leave a comment below.